Hello our friend, welcome back my YouTube channel. In this my video show about how to remove and install cabin asset Toyota Land Cruiser 2020. Now let's start and now can do it yourself. Okay, now how to remove. Wow, so a lot of yes. Now you can remove the AC cover. Nice. So now after I clean it with this, so now I installation. You can installation.